Good evening, sir, ma'am, and my friends. It's Aradhya Tiwari here. I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University and in first year. Today's topic is about telling your favorite person, and now I am going to discuss about Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is known as also Mahatma Gandhi. He is a great person who sacrificed his entire life to free our country from British rule, and he was not a political. He is also religious and simple man, and he is he gave me a message of our true non-violence and happy to live with each other. And he was born on Gujarat at Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October in 1869, and his father name was Karamchand Gandhi, who was Diwan of Rajkot, and his mother name was Putlibai. She is a religious and simple lady, and I can also say that she had a great faith in God. And when Mahatma Gandhi was 17 years, he cleared the entrance examination, and he was sent to England to get the higher education about the leadership. And after completing his for the higher education, he returned in India, and he became practiced as a barrister in Bombay High Court. Uh, Bombay High Court, and for any regions he had left the South Africa and to lead a course of firm. When we went there, he saw that a great difference between Indians and South Africans that shocked him very much. And then he decided to start a movement that's name is Satyagraha movement. Uh, and finally he succeed. Finally he gets succeed in this movement. That movement is the first movement in his entire life, and it's also first movement in the South Africa. And after some times in 1915, he came in India, and he joined the Congress party. Then after, he started many movements in India. Like the first movement in India is in 1930, in 1920, sorry, uh, non-comparative movement. That's second movement is civil disobedience movement, and his last movement is Quit India. That's played a great role to free our country from British rule. And for many times he have to he have to uh, he have to go jail for many times, and but they did not disappoint to go there. And but he had a great faith to that he should free our country from British rule. And we can also say that he had a great confidence in himself. And in 30 January in 1949, he was assassinated by Nathuram Godse in a prayer assembly as and he lived and died for truth, non-violence, and he always worked for Hindu Muslims unity. And he is a great man, and he also known as a father of nation. That's why we can follow the biography of that's why we can follow the biography of Mahatma Gandhi. And we should never disappoint in our life, and we should face our difficulties, which whatever we come in our life. And I can also include that like success and failures, there's nothing in our life, and if we face them, we can destroy our difficulties whatever comes in my life. And definitely you will achieve your success and your goals. Thank you so much.